Well, I have to say that I am pretty bummed. This was supposed to be recording, and it did not record. So, yeah, I don't even know what to say. I wanted to post this week, so I may not. We'll see. So this is just kind of going off from what Olga Soby has done. It's for my first attempt to do one of these kind of 3D ring blowouts using dark blue base background and of course light flowing blue colors over the top with the gold ring in the center. There's lots of metallics, so I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. I don't know that we'll see any shine in this right now. In fact, what I might do is I might just stop and put the flash on. Okay, here we are. It is still quite bright in here, but I have turned off the studio lights. Let's see if we can see some shimmer, which we should be able to see. I don't know. Do have my flash on. There's some there. There are a lot of iridescence and metallics. There's some right there in the center of your screen showing. Oh yeah, look at all that through there. Super pretty. Super, super pretty. Oh wow, look at all that. Of course, the 24K deco art. That's got a lot of bling there in the center. I'm probably gonna fiddle with that center just a little bit more. My ring needs to be a little more ring-like. But I will fiddle with that. Lots and lots of shine. So not bad for my first attempt. Not bad at all. Yeah, liking the colors. I'm gonna bring you guys back out. There it is, and I will be back to show it to you when it is dry. Okay, I fiddled with this some more. I pulled off paint here and re-put some base down and blew it out to just make it a little bit more symmetrical with what was going on over here. And I added a little bit more of that base in through here as well. That's basically what I did. The paint is drying so fast, I would have liked to have blown some of this blue out a little bit more just to make it, you know, a little bit more like this, but it's fine. I'm just being super nitpicky now. I did also fiddle with the gold ring a little bit just to make it a little bit more ring-like, bring it in here, and use some of the blue to cover that up. But other than that, I have I've not messed with it at all. So there it is. I'll be back when it's dry, and then when I start fiddling with that gold ring again, if I decide to do that. So stay tuned, I'll be back.